Most people get this wrong. They assume Summit Pay is just another payday or buy now, pay later app. The surprising truth in 2026 is that Summit Pay has evolved into a comprehensive financial platform offering fast wage access, flexible payment plans, and budgeting tools to help you manage money smarter. Here's how it works. Summit Pay lets you access a portion of your earned income before payday, often within hours. This can cover unexpected bills, emergencies, or urgent expenses without needing high-interest credit cards. Eligible purchases can also be split into smaller installments, making it easier to manage your monthly budget. The app is simple to use. You can track advances, monitor upcoming payments, and get insights into spending trends. Push notifications and alerts help ensure you stay on top of repayments, which is crucial for avoiding fees. The downside, overusing Summit Pay can get expensive. Frequent advances or missed payments may result in fees that add up quickly, so it's best used as a short-term solution rather than a long-term fix. Tips for responsible use. 1. Only request advances or installments you can realistically repay. 2. Enable notifications for repayment reminders. 3. Keep a small emergency fund to reduce reliance on the app. Who benefits most? People with steady incomes who occasionally need short-term cash or want help managing larger purchases. Those with irregular income or weak repayment habits may find fees outweigh the convenience. In conclusion, Summit Pay in 2026 is a practical financial tool, but only if used responsibly. Track your spending, plan repayments carefully, and treat it as a temporary aid. Subscribe for honest app reviews and actionable money tips to stay in control of your finances.